Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While starting with, I'm going to start with this surface. Then I will extrude up to the length of 85 mm. Then I will do the add material feature of this one. I will create this section. Then I will extrude up to the length of 180. Then I will do the remove material features of this one as well as this one. Now we'll model this component. This is the model I have created in Creo Parametric. Now we'll see how to create this model using Creo Parametric. Close. Go to New, Part Solid, untick this Use Default Template, say OK. Part Solid Absolute, say OK. For easy explanation, I am keeping this file like this. Now I am just taking front plane, sketch view. First we'll model this section using a sketch line. This dimension is 180 and this dimension is 25. Now we just want to add this one. Further, take a circle, put it here. The circle center is 70 from the bottom, then 45 from here. So dimension from here to here, it is 70. Then from here to here, it is 45. Now the diameter of this circle is, here they have mentioned radius is 30, diameter is 60. Then we just want to connect a line. Take a line. It has to be tangent. Then we just want to mirror the line to opposite direction. Just put an axis here. Select this line. Mirror about this line. Now we'll remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Remove these edges and remove these edges. Now everything is okay. Now we can create the circle in same sketch itself. Take a circle. The circle diameter is 30. Just say OK. Extrude. Symmetric. The extrusion length is 85. Say OK. Now we have created this plate. Then we'll add the material here. Select the surface, sketch view. Take a reference of this center line. Then I'm just putting one rectangle. Make this as a symmetric. Then 45 and this one thickness is 10. This one is 45. The thickness is 10. Say OK. We need to extrude up to the length of 180. Say OK. Now we'll create the cut here. Select this plane, sketch view. Take a reference, this one and this one. Just close. Now put a rectangle. Make it symmetric. Now the rectangle is from 20 from the center of the axis of the circle. So dimension from here to here, the distance is 20 and the width has to be 55. Now just say OK. Extrude. remove material, save OK. Now we have created this cut. Similarly, we just want to create cut here. There are two ways we can do. First, we can create an axis, from that we can create. Otherwise, we can use two-step extrusion. So select the circle, surface, sketch, sketch view. Reference of these two edges, close, circle. The circle diameter is, here they have specified it, dia 20, counter bore, dia 50, 10 deep. So this diameter is 50 and this is from 42 mm from the top edge. This one is 42. Save OK. Extrude, change the direction. Thickness is 10. Save OK. Again select the surface, sketch, sketch view, circle, dia is 20. Save OK. Extrude, change direction to next, save OK. Now the model is ready. You can check with the sketch also. Every feature we have done. Switch on all the planes, switch off all the planes. Now this is our model. Now we have completed our model. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.